Chicago, remember their first possession, they had 3rd and 8. Second possession, 3rd and 9. They get a couple 3rd and 1s. As Lovie Smith said, Stephen Adams is a lot of pass option to play.
That's exactly. This Chicago, their offense, they want to get to 3rd and 5 or less. That's when they believe they're working at their feet. They can do that, they can be the most efficient.
Olsen comes to edge and gets sacked. Up over time for Olsen along the sideline, incomplete. Brown on the cover.